Hi, my name is Kimberly Schreiber, an attorney with Catholic Charities, Refugee and Immigration Services, Milwaukee. This is a video with updates for the fall of 2021 for those arriving in the United States from Afghanistan. For benefits for people who have already arrived in the U.S., you are entitled to 8 months of refugee benefits. That time will start the moment you step off of base. If you wait to go through the process and get matched with a resettlement agency, they will be able to help you set up and sign up for these benefits when you reach your final destination. If you decide to self-resettle, you can walk into the agencies and ask for help. However, they will help the people they were matched with first, and you will have to wait until they have capacity. This means you might lose time on your benefits because the agencies will likely not be able to help you immediately. For your Employment Authorization Cards, or EADs, they have been printed and are sitting at a headquarters for IOM in Washington, D.C. They may be shipped to the base before you get resettled, or they may be sent to you at your final destination. You should make sure, either way, to update USCIS by filling out the form AR11 Change of Address, which is on the USCIS website. You will need the receipt for your I-797C for your work authorization when you fill out your online request. Your cards should be sent to your resettlement agency for your final destination. If you are leaving early, make sure you let IRC know of your address in your exit interview. For humanitarian parole, USCIS has stated that people seeking HP from Afghanistan will have to travel to a third country to get the visa once they have been approved for HP, as the consulate in Kabul is still closed. They will issue a notice when this is going to be required, so it will be important to make sure the address you fill out on the Form I-131 has a working mailing address you will get the notices from USCIS at. They have also advised that processing may still take several months, and biometrics and medical will still be done before anyone gets their visa. Once the beneficiary is able to make private arrangements to travel to a third country where there is a U.S. embassy or consulate, the beneficiary must notify USCIS immediately at humanitarianparole@uscis.dhs.gov. You can complete the I-131 for each person in your family that you are requesting, but you can send just one I-912 for the entire submission. USCIS posted updates and translations on their website. For asylum, USCIS provided information about the application linked to Afghan evacuee information. As of right now, that is the only option for those who received parole but are not eligible for SIV or family-based immigration. USCIS also stated that people in Afghanistan would likely be eligible to apply as refugees with the UNHCR, and you can consult the USRAP website. They will have to leave Afghanistan and find the UNHCR office in the third country in order to be considered for resettlement and begin that process. For SIV, if you have applied and received your I-360 approval, you can file the I-485 Adjustment of Status form, even if you did not get the Kabul interview. Filing fees for the I-485 are waived if you have the approval notice for the I-360. This is not just the receipt notice, but the notice from USCIS that says your I-360 was approved. Thanks for watching, and if you want more content like this, like and subscribe, or visit us on our website.